Hello everyone. Let's take a look at our next problem. What are the possible unit digits for perfect squares? So this is asking when you write down a number which is a perfect square, what possible numbers can appear in its rightmost digit in the ones space. I mean, why don't we just write down some perfect squares? Are there any digits which cannot end up being the last digit of a perfect square? I mean, 0, 1. Is this something that I just didn't know? Do 3s and 7s and other numbers just never appear as the last digit in a perfect square? Well, okay, so so what I'm thinking now is if I take a number and write this as a product of primes, so I have a set of primes. Let's do this for like a concrete number of primes here. P1 times P2 up to P K. If I square this, I get P1 squared times P2 squared all the way up to PK squared. And if I want to pick out the units digit, then what I'm doing here is I'm doing a mod by 10. So if I let's say U will represent the units digit of n squared. It's this number mod 10. Now, if I think about, integers mod 10, and I square all of those, there are going to be numbers that I miss, right? In fact, I see now that I finished the question, because I've written out, I don't want to worry about 100. Instead, I'll think of that as 0. I've written out here all the numbers from 0 to 9 squared. And if I maybe here's a better way of thinking this. We don't really need the primes in any way. So n squared mod 10 is the same as n mod 10 squared. This is not, standard notation for this kind of thing, I don't think. But you can interchange the role of addition, multiplication, and taking a mod with respect to any number. So yeah, I've have all my numbers mod 10 here, and I've squared them. So what's missing? We're missing 2, 3, and 7. So the answer to this is the units digit can be anything except for 2, 3, and 7. I didn't know that. And I hope I'm not being completely wrong on this. But if I am, somebody let me know. Thanks for watching.